In this video, we are going to learn how you can create products in Alegra from Google Sheets. So the idea here is that whenever you are going to add a new data to your Google Sheet, automatically using those details, a new product should get created into your accounting and invoicing software, that is Alegra. For that, you need to integrate your Google Sheets with Alegra account. So here your trigger application would be Google Sheets and your action application would be Alegra. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. To integrate Google Sheets with Alegra, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly, and here we can find two options: sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free tasks every month. If you are already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. From the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as create products in Alegra from Google Sheets. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever we add a new product details in our Google Sheet, automatically a new product should get created into Alegra account. For that, first we need to integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now here we can see a webbook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webbook in your Google Sheets. So I'll just copy this webbook URL from here and I'll take you to the Google Sheet which I have already created named Alegra Products, where you can find all the details of the product, that is the product name, smartboard, product price, its description, product unit, unit cost and the quantity. So now I want all these product details to be captured in Pabbly Connect. So let's integrate Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. For that, we have to come to extensions, add-ons and click on get add-ons. Now it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webooks. Now you have to install Pabbly Connect Webooks on your system. As you can see, it is already installed on my system. I'm just going to close this window. But remember, after installing Pabbly Connect Webooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Now again come to extensions and this time we have to move to Pabbly Connect Webooks and click on initial setup. Now here it is asking for the webbook URL and the trigger column. So here we have to paste the webbook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And now the trigger column is required. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webbook URL. So here you can see I have the data from column A till column F. And I want the data to be captured till column F. So I'm just going to give the trigger column as column F over here. Say if you have the data till column H and you want the data to be captured till column H, then your trigger column will be column H over here. Okay. Now let's click on send test. Test data sent successfully. Okay. And now let's click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Okay. Now let's close this window. Again, we have to come to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webooks, and this time we have to click on send on event. So why we are selecting this option? Because next time whenever you're going to add a new product detail to your Google Sheet, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details. We don't have to link the product details again and again. So make sure you have a tick mark on send on event option over here. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here when we scroll down, we can find the details, whatever we have entered in our Google Sheet. Product name, its price, description, unit, unit cost, quantity, and even the spreadsheet details are also captured. Okay. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new product should get created into your Alegra account. So now let's integrate Alegra with Pabbly Connect. So come to this action window and here choose the application name as Alegra. Select the action event as create product simple. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now here it is asking for the username, that is the email address and the token. To get the token, first log into your account and go to this particular URL. So let's open this hyperlink. And here we can find our user. So I'm just going to copy it and I'll be just pasting it over here. In the same way, let's copy the token also. and we'll be just pasting it over here. And now let's click on save to create a connection. And now here we can see that the Alegra account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Alegra account. So make sure before creating a connection, we are logged into your Alegra account. Okay. Now here we have to select the product name, its price, description and other details that we have already received from our trigger response over here. So now we are going to map these details. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the drop down, that is the Google Sheet response, and from here we can find the product name. So select the product name. In the same way, let us map the product price also. Here we have to map the product description. Here if you have some reference, you can just map it over here. Here we have to select the item category. So I have created two item categories, that is Pabbly item category 1 and category 12. So here you have to select your category, whatever you have created in your Alegra account. I am just selecting it as a category 1. If you want to specify some taxes, you can just select the taxes over here. I am just giving 0% tax. Now here we have to select the unit. So here in the drop down you can find various units, that is centimeter, meter, inch. So I have taken all these units in my Google Sheet over here, the same units that was mentioned over here. Okay, you can find the same units. So you also have to give the same units over here to map the details, otherwise the data will not be captured in your Alegra account. Okay, so here I'll be selecting the unit. For that I'll just click on this mapping button. I'll remove this data from here and I'll map the unit from my trigger response, that is pieces. Okay. Now here we have to map the unit cost. So let us map unit cost, and here we have to give the quantity. So we have given all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new product is added to your Alegra account. Let's check it. This is my Alegra dashboard. From here we'll be moving to the inventory section and click on products and services. Okay, and here we have got a new product added over here, name as Smartboard. Here we can find the price as 18,000, and here we can find the description. Let's view the details also. Here also we can find the product price as 18,000 and the description. Here we can find the item category as Pabbly item category 1, type of item as product. Here we can find the total price as 18,000, initial cost as 16,500, and here we can find in inventory as 10. So here we can see that the same details are captured correctly and a correct product is created over here. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation, this is a one-time process. Next time, whenever you're going to add a new product to your Google Sheet, automatically a new product will get created into your Alegra account. So now let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let's move to the Google Sheet. And here we're going to enter the details of a new product. Let's give the product name as Bluetooth speakers. Let's give the product price as 12,000. Okay, I'm just giving a random amount and product details over here. I'm adding a description. Let's select the unit as pieces only. Okay, and here we have to give the unit cost. So let us give it as 10,500 and quantity as 50. Okay, now we have entered the details. Let's check our Alegra account. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we have got a new product created, name as Bluetooth speakers, price as 12,000. It was the same price, yes, 12,000. Let's check the description. Black Flip 6 wireless portable speakers. Okay, yes, we have given the same description. Okay, so let us check the inventory also. And here we have got the initial cost as 10,500. Yes, the unit cost was the same. And the quantity as 50, the inventory as 50. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and a correct product is added over here. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect so that whenever you enter the details of a new product in your Google Sheet, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have created a new product in our Alegra account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can create products in Alegra from Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.